I've got a low mileage 06 LBZ. Thinking about making some videos on it. Only thing I've done to this truck was I had the seats redone. I got buckets in the rear. I did do a airbag swap. Put a radio in it. I got 285s on the stocks, polished. And paint match the grill. But I've got tons of stuff for it. I've got full HSP, everything from them. Bunch of dress up parts. I've got a KB Diesel 63.5 turbo kit for it. Down pipe. I've got up pipes. I've got a fast fuel. I've got tons of stuff for this truck. If you guys think that you might want to watch me build this truck, since I haven't really ever tore into this truck, let me know, because we will have a bunch of stuff to cover. Huge build list. I got an MBRP stainless exhaust. I had it fully polished. Just let me know in the comments and I'll start making videos, because I'm gonna tear this sucker apart. I'm powder coating this tomorrow. It's shocker yellow. That's what I got everything else powder coated. So y'all guys let me know.